Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best camera for dental photography on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best camera for dental photography. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Any dentist will tell you that images and films taken within your mouth need to be as exact and clear as possible. They're not expressing themselves as artists or documenting moments. Instead, they are documenting reality for use in analysis, care, and record keeping. Doctors may be misled into drawing wrong conclusions, making false diagnoses, and prescribing incorrect treatments in the absence of clear images or recordings. As a result, I'll be talking about 5 of the best camera for dental photography and orthodontists today. Yes, orthodontists, I didn't forget about you. I didn't prioritize the latest and greatest when deciding which products to include, instead opting for excellent price-quality ratio options, even if they are not the most recent ones. I should also point out that every lens I shall discuss is either a macro lens or has macro settings available. This is necessary for doctors to record every tiny detail coming from their patients' mouths. The images and videos should be as accurate as feasible. They should recreate the physical examination of the mouth in person. Number 5. Nikon D7500 camera for dental photography. The Nikon D7500 is a mid-size SLR that is renowned for its ergonomics and high-speed shooting. Although video quality only reaches a maximum of 4K 30 FPS and its CPA is only 950, its tilting screen more than makes up for an already remarkable piece of equipment. And you know what? As the best prosumer DSLR for the years 2017 to 2018, the Nikon D7500 received an official EISA award for its excellence. How does the lens fare? The Sigma 105mm f/2.80x DG/OS/HSM macro lens is worth a look. Naturally, Nikon lenses are compatible with the D7500, but I wanted to draw attention to the Sigma 105mm f/2.8 because of its impressive macro capabilities. While it doesn't have the best image stabilization among the lenses already discussed, its incredibly sharp photos, sturdy construction, and true 1:1:1 reproduction rate more than make up for it. Anyone searching for something in the middle should choose the Nikon D7500. Not too expensive or too cheap. All things considered, it's a camera that can record crystal clear photos for analysis without breaking the budget. Pros: tilting screen allows for shooting from various angles, includes built-in flash for added convenience, offers high-quality 4K video recording, long-lasting battery life. Cons: relatively heavier in weight. Number 4. Canon EOS 7D camera for dental photography. The Canon EOS 7D Mark II is the successor to the original 7D and combines the best features of the original with enhanced autofocus in both photo and video modes. Even those who have never used a camera before will have no trouble getting the hang of the Mark II thanks to its ergonomic design. It's one of the best all-around Canon DSLRs you can buy, and many experts will concur with me on that. In other words, with this lens, taking shaky photos with a large camera will be the least of your concerns. Additionally, you have some leeway to position yourself a little further away from the patients thanks to the 90mm focal length. Instead of beginning dental or orthodontic photography, the Canon EOS 7D Mark II looks to be the finest option if you're looking to upgrade your current camera. Fast and precise autofocus makes up for the fixed LCD screen and bulky body, making it simpler to use the camera and produce movies if your team doesn't have a professional photographer. Additionally, having 2 memory storage options allows you to employ both the less effective CF memory cards and the more effective SD card technologies. Pros: swift autofocus capabilities, complete viewfinder coverage for comprehensive framing, high-quality 1080p video recording at 59.94 fps. Cons: heftier body, approaching nearly 1 kilogram in weight. Number 3. Nikon D5600 camera for dental photography. The Nikon D5600 has the same ultra-fast continuous shooting, up to 5 fps, and smart device pairing capabilities as the Nikon D500. It is the perfect camera for beginning photographers who want to capture detailed photographs as quickly and easily as possible thanks to its small size and huge, fully articulated LCD screen. It resembles the Canon Rebel T7i in certain respects and is made by Nikon. But it makes up for what it lacks in video performance with 24MP resolution capabilities, making it a very handy camera for anyone who value image quality highly. The 105mm f/2.8 VR micro lens, an alternative to the previously mentioned 85mm Nikkor lens, is one of the better micro lens choices Nikon has to offer. The lens has true 1x maximum reproduction rate and a minimum focus distance of 0.31 centimeters, albeit its image stabilization isn't as strong as the 85mm. To put it another way, your close-up shots will look sharp and clear. For dental and orthodontic photography, pair it with the appropriate glass, and even a beginner photographer can capture excellent close-up shots. Pros: lightweight and budget-friendly. Fully articulated screen enhances versatility. High-resolution photo output. Android compatibility for seamless pairing. Cons: absence of image stabilization. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel T7i camera for dental photography. The Rebel T7i, the first Canon camera on the list, is a pleasant addition for anyone just getting started with DSLR cameras. It also goes by the names 800D and KISS X9i in Europe and Japan, respectively. With its user-focused design and dual-pixel AF system, it is intended to make taking pictures and movies simple for beginners. With the Rebel, photographs are large and clear enough to be examined professionally thanks to its 24MP resolution. All of the major issues with the Rebel are resolved when using the T7i in combination with Canon's exclusive EF 100mm f/2.8L as USM macro lens. In other words, this macro lens ensures that your handheld images are sharp enough to be used professionally in the office where the Rebel was unable to provide stabilization. The 100mm focal length also makes it possible to photograph minute details from a distance. By the time your patient's appointments are through, they will probably appreciate that. The Rebel T7i is without a doubt a fantastic camera for anyone just starting to learn how to capture dentistry photos. The T7i is unquestionably among the greatest beginner-friendly cameras now on the market, and it's also a terrific camera for dentists and orthodontists. Number 1. Nikon D500 camera for dental photography. The Nikon D500, which bills itself as the new DX flagship, has a bevy of mind-blowing features that will leave you speechless. It also takes clear pictures. Powerful focusing, quick shooting rates, 10 fps continuous, and SnapBridge, a proprietary program that connects the camera to Bluetooth-enabled smart devices for photo and video preview, are just a few of its impressive features. His famous tiny lens weighs just 355 g, has image stabilization, and a 0.29m minimum focusing distance. In other words, the 85mm focal length of this tiny lens makes taking close-up pictures simple. That makes the D500 the ideal companion when combined with its features. Although it is heavy and lacks a flash, the D500 is a camera you won't look back on. The features of SnapBridge and 4K video quality are appreciated. Your patient workflow could be streamlined with the appropriate setup. When you consider the lengthy battery life and exceptionally clear tilting LCD screen, the high price may seem more reasonable. Pros: flexible tilting screen accommodates tight angles, Remarkably swift shooting capabilities, crisp 4K UHD video output, extensive battery longevity. SnapBridge enables instant photo previews. Cons: elevated price point, bulky camera body, lack of image stabilization, absence of built-in flash.